Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we're tasting and trying baked goods made in Jamaica or Jamaican people popularized and Jamaican people popularized. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm hungry, and we're just gonna taste these baked goods that I bought from the supermarket. Now we did another video on my channel,
and it's the pop one,
testing and trying Jamaican snacks and Jamaican drinks. So you guys can go to my channel and watch that. Also, Nana Adventures is here with me, and she also has
sister.
is here with me, and she also has a channel. So I'm going to link her channel so you guys can go on her channel and watch her videos as well. Okay, so let's get into this video and test and try out everything. So we have the rest of the baked goods in this bag here, and I made sure I kept the receipt. I made sure to keep the receipt so you guys can currently know what the prices are for everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 12.
11.
No, 12.
Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.
I just tricked you because I picked up the same one twice. So which one do you want to try first? Let's try this one, the wine bun. So let's do that one.
Yay!
Okay, so this so this one's a totally delicious icing slice. I'm just assuming from Jamaica because I only had this ever in Jamaica. So yeah, this is from St. Catherine in Old Harbor. What? Lot 44, Grove Farm, Old Harbor, St. Catherine. The icing slice, the totally delicious icing slice. So the totally delicious, sorry, my neighbors are just kind of loud today. They're having the time of their lives. So the totally delicious icing slice, here it is. It was $146. That's actually more than bun and bulla. That's so weird. Okay, so we're going to cut a piece of this. And we're just gonna try it. Nothing too big. When I was like way younger, I used to eat this a lot.
Really?
Not anymore.
Why? Now you're eating it?
I don't know. It's too sweet. Ready? 1, 2. This is good. It's really sweet though. And it's really dry. Like you would have to drink something with this. You taste the icing. It's not like the best cake ever. But it's okay. I'll give it a 6. What would you give it?
12.
Yeah, it's like not bad. There's like pink icing. That's like it's really sweet. It's good. I used to be able to eat off the whole thing when I was. What are you gonna do now?
This one. It's not really good.
It was so weird. I bought 2 cheese breads. I'm so annoyed. I don't know why I bought 2 cheese breads. Okay, so the yummy cheese bread, which is this one.
It's so
This is Jamaican.
good.
This was 104. And the honey bun cheese bread. Let me see if I can find it. It was 110. So this one was more money. So let's see if this one tastes better. Okay, with cheese bread, it's basically bread with cheese, and I like warming it up first and then eating it. I just feel like it melts throughout the bread and it tastes way better. Now when it's like this, I feel like the cheese is just in a block in one space. Oh, and they also use the tasty cheese that tastes so good, right, Nana? And this is how the inside looks. So imagine if we melted this. It would taste 10 times better. Instead of just eating it dry like this and then you're only having the cheese concentrated at one spot.
This one Chinese?
So good. Give this 100 out of 10. This is so good.
What if mine tastes better than yours?
Yeah, let's see this one too. You want to try this one? And this one looks so different on the inside compared to this one. The cheese is so good. Wait, why does it look like they heated the cheese already in here? I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like they heated the cheese in it and melted it and it's just dry. Ready? Cheers. This is nasty.
What? It's actually nasty. Let me taste
This one tastes way better, so I don't know. It's not even near the due date or anything like that. And it tastes so tough. I don't even want to finish that. Okay, here, try this one. So, the yummy cheese bread doesn't even taste good. And you pay more money. Yeah. No, sorry. You don't. I got this wrong the whole time. The yummy cheese bread is lower than the honey bun cheese bread, which is the honey bun cheese bread is $6 more than this one. Don't buy this one. Pay the extra $6 and buy this one. This is so soft. It tastes so good. It's just way better.
No, actually it's good. That other one tastes bad.
Yeah, that was horrid. Okay, so let's try some bulla. So I got the pineapple bulla.
Wait,
And I also got my wholesome. So this is a wholesome pineapple bulla. Now, so we also got the ginger bulla.
What ginger?
Have you tasted a pineapple one before?
No.
I tasted the ginger, and I think I got one more. I just got the regular bulla. So this one's Whitfield bulla. The ginger bulla is from A&D's Pastry.
It tastes rum one.
And this is at 28 Hargreaves Avenue.
And this is...
And the Whitfield is located, where in Jamaica? In Maypen. Oh, I didn't know that. And the wholesome is from, it's on St. Lucia Avenue, Kingston 5. Just tell you guys, so the wholesome one that she has is for, my stomach's hurting me from eating that.
Which one?
The nasty one with the, okay, so.
Mine is not.
Why is it not saying wholesome on here? I don't know how much it was, but the A&D's Pastry Ginger Bulla was $70.
Can I open mine?
This is a Whitfield. Yeah. Oh yeah, the Whitfield bun. So this one was $125. So we have to see if this one is better than the A&D. Oh no, sorry, that was the wine bun. What? They don't have the bullas on here. Now, what do you guys like eating your bulla with? Do you guys like eating it by itself? Do you guys like eating it? Do you guys like eating it with butter? Do you guys like eating it with
peanut
cheese?
Butter.
Do you guys like eating it with peanut butter, according to her? I don't know who does that. Do you guys like eating it with pear or bananas? Comment down below. I like it only with cheese.
Raisins. You just put it on there. Our peanuts.
I only like it with
I
cheese.
stick it in.
Before when I was younger stuff, I used to eat it by itself or with
cheesy.
No, with banana or butter. Okay, taste it. This tastes like did you guys ever have the yellow bug juices? They taste like the yellow bug juice. Like exactly like the yellow bug juice. They taste exactly like the yellow bug juice. This is weird. It's really dry, it's tough. Really super dry. It's like a really hard baked cake, basically. Okay, so we have these two. Ginger Bulla, I feel like I'm not gonna like that. I would give that probably like a 4 out of 10.
Why?
Not really a fan. What would you give it?
A 1. She says it's 100. Yeah,
so she likes the ginger pineapple Bulla. It doesn't, like the flavoring and stuff is good. I just don't like Bulla like that. So this one's the Whitfield Bulla and this one's the A&D's Pastry Bulla. Make sure when you guys are buying food, if you're not buying it from the supermarket, if you're not buying it straight from the bakery, like baked goods, if you're buying from supermarket, make sure you guys are looking at the expiry date and making sure that there's like no like mold or anything on. So that's that one. This one is way more moist than that one. That one's really much more drier than this one. This one's 10 times
How do you put that one on
moist.
Oh, it's the same one.
This one's way moister, and as you can see, the Whitfield one is darker than this one. This one has ginger in it, so maybe that's why it's a little bit lighter.
How about this one?
This one's a little bit tougher, but these two are more moist than the pineapple one. I can smell it. It smells so good. Just break these in half. It's dry.
That's mine.
Yeah. This is dry. I feel like with Bulla, you need to have like a drink with it.
I give it a 16.
This is so dry.
I give it a 15.
Okay, let me try Whitfield. This is actually so good. Try this one, Anna.
Which one?
The ginger one. Oh. This is so good. This one is so good. The Whitfield. I recommend it. Highly, 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 highly recommend. Really? It's moist. It just tastes so good. I need one more slice of it.
What? It's really good? It's that good.
Yeah, this one doesn't taste as good as this one. Do you like this one? The ginger?
No, I like mine.
This one's like a 5. This one's like an 8.
I like mine.
Let's see how much it was.
The Rockbun?
It was, what's it called? So this is A&D's Pastry Rockbun. 100. Okay, so it's made with flour, raisin, coconut, spices, sugar, and butter.
It doesn't have no flavor, but just a little bit flavor.
True. How do you know, Nana? It's not dry.
So what do you give it?
4. What would you give it?
6.
That means you really like it. Let me try it again. It's like it has cinnamon in there or something. Oh, there's some spices. You can taste the spices in it. Okay, this is banana bread.
And I'm gonna choose this one.
For $100. On the dot. Ooh.
It looks like jelly.
What?
If you turn around, it looks like jelly. It's a jelly. And now it's a cupcake.
Feels like it's gonna taste like. Ha 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 ha. Smells like rain banana. Mmm. This is so good. What would you rate it?
I'll give it a 6.
I'll give it 8.
This looks really good.
So this one says Miss Birdie sugar bun. It's like a honey bun. So it's $103. And this cornbread was $105. Miss Birdie.
Look at mine.
Cornbread. I think I only had cornbread like 2 times in my life. I feel like this is like a honey bun. It's supposed to be. It's a sugar bun and it has raisins in it. Hell no. This is just dry.
Does
I like
it taste
raisins.
good though? You like raisins?
They're so good.
Is that a little bit sweet?
Okay, so I would give the sugar bun probably like a 2. I don't like it. It's dry. It doesn't have any flavor to it. I only like the raisin. That one raisin I saw in it, and that was it. I love raisins, by the way. Anyways, let's go on to the cornbread. I think I only had cornbread twice. Have you had cornbread before?
No.
Okay, let's have cornbread. I don't think you had cornbread before because we don't really buy it or eat it at the house. So I doubt you had cornbread
That's
before.
mine.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Ew, it doesn't have no taste. It doesn't have no taste.
It tastes more of just like a plain baked bread.
That doesn't have no taste.
This has no taste. I don't know what this color came from. Maybe food coloring. But this has no taste. I had way better cornbread than
Can I throw it
that.
away?
That's horrid. I taste bread. I don't think I like anything in this. Oh, I got the banana bread from JC Pate. I didn't tell you guys that. Okay, so this is the wine slice. Now the wine slice. This is from Whitfield again. And it's $125. Now I'm only gonna try this. And when it comes to wine slice, I have to be in the mood for it. And when it comes to wine slice again, or rum cake, it needs to be super moist. It needs to taste so good. It needs to be
moist.
Yeah, and it just needs to
What?
with the alcohol. It needs to just taste so good, man. And I have to be in the mood for it too. Not everyone. I feel like the generic
Can you give
like
me a little piece?
rum cakes and wine bread. What wine bread? Rime cakes. They're a little bit dry because it was like mass produced. I don't know. And it doesn't even have that much wine in it either. So I love the homemade ones. But hey, why not try this for $125? I think I said.
Tastes bad.
It's okay. Okay. I would give it a 4 because
Why?
I don't know. I just don't like it. It's not dry. That's a good thing.
But this one
But
is
you
better.
can taste the wine in it, but it feels like an off wine. Like the wine feels like off too. I don't know. Okay, so which one was your favorite one out of all these, Anna? We're gonna decide.
This one. This one was my favorite one.
So that one's the icing slice. Mine was the banana bread from Juicy Patty.
It was nasty.
This was good.
Real
And after
nasty.
this, I would put the cheese bread. The cheese bread was so.
Can I eat
so,
it?
so, so, so.
Can I eat
Which
it?
one was it? Not the yummy cheese bread. The
nasty one that we just threw away.
yeah, we threw it away, but hold on. It was ew. This one, the honey bun. I would highly recommend this. If you're gonna buy any cheese bread, buy the honey bun cheese bread. It is so freaking good. I'm gonna give this to the dog.
Okay, I don't know what they're does.
And we're gonna throw out the ones that we don't like. My stomach's hurting. I love this bun though. This bulla is so good. This is from Whitfield.
Mine.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. We're gonna go and drink something. We had so much to eat and a lot of dry baked things. So okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what is your favorite baked good from Jamaica. I would like to know, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys like the videos and if you like seeing Nana and them. And also you guys can go to Nana's channel and watch her videos and subscribe. I'm going to link it down below. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.